Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today, we have the next set of dollar days. Next set of dollar days. These are starting July 16th, going through the 29th. We'll go through them. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's go ahead and jump in. Just a reminder, though, free bucket weekend. Everyone for $29.99 or more, you can get a free purchase. So if you're there, just make sure you ask for a bucket because they don't always give it to you. Or for ITC, 3 days only, free bucket with any purchase. Pick up a 79-cent pencil. Pick up probably the double XL bag. Anyways, we made a video on that a little bit ago. But here we are, these dollar days, starting again July 16th through the 29th. Starting with Pittsburgh pencil tire gauge, $1, normally $129, 22% off. The battery terminal cleaner, Pittsburgh. These, to be honest, these are essential. You have to have some of these. I want to say half the battery issues that I've had have been because in my vehicles, they get a lot of those calcium or whatever it is deposits, and these clean it up right there really good. And only $1, only $4, 74% off is nuts. Pick up a couple of them. Mini deep dive, normally $4, down to $1. Beautiful. Compact vehicle battery terminal cleaner quickly removes corrosion. 4.6 stars, 96%. No pictures, surprisingly. That's a little bit nuts. There is a video, but we get the point. $4 normally down to $1. Someone post their pictures. We keep going. KN95 masks, 2-pack. Not Shakur. Your choice of color, black or white. $1, normally $1.59, 37% off. Gotta hit them up. Hall Master, 1 5/8 inch. Solid rubber swivel caster down to $1, normally $2.49, 59% off compared to Shepherd Hardware. Pittsburgh 18-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool, $1.25. Oh, I mean $1.25. 1.25 pounds, capacity down to $2, normally $4, 49% off. That is also a must. Let's see what the HARBROs are saying. Retrieve lost nuts. That's a big one. If you've lost your nuts, HARBROs, well, I don't know if this will help you. 4.6 out of 5 stars, 95% would recommend. Little magnet, good power. Spring bounce perfectly into engine. Great for getting small things out of tight spaces. Pretty straightforward. Just what I needed. That is a green light. On the 18-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool, $2, 49% off. HFT 0.2 ounce semi-permanent thread lock, $2, normally $3, 33% off. We have Bowers 5-inch PSA sanding discs, 5-pack, $2, normally $5, almost 60% off. Your choice of aluminum oxide grain, 600 or 800 grit, or the Zirconia alumina grain, 80 all the way up to 400 grit. We have the Gordon pumice stone for bath time, combination sharpening stone, $2, normally $3, 33% off. Hallmaster assorted length elastic stretch cord, 6-piece, $2, normally $4, also almost 50% off. Merlin's 1/4-inch steel automotive coupler, your choice of female or male, $3, normally $4, 24% off. We have Storehouse 18 compartment medium storage container, $3, normally $4, 24% off. Hardware sold separately. Storehouse in the house, heat shrink tubing assortment with case, 120-piece, normally $5, down to $3, 39% off. We continue. Chicago Electric soapstone marker set with holder, 4-piece, $3, 20% off. I would do a quick dive into this one. What is a soapstone marker? I haven't heard of it. Quality soapstone marker won't rub off. Works as good as any other soapstone. Generally, I don't care much for soapstone as I find it kind of a hassle to make precision marks. Okay. Easy to use. Been using it at work for my inspections. 4.5 and 91% off. 91% will recommend. Won't rub off. Excellent. Western Safety hard cap knee pads, $4, normally $5, only 19% off. If in need for the loved ones. Merlin 16-ounce air tool oil, $4, normally $6, 33% off compared to Milton. The Pittsburgh 8-inch steel adjustable wrench at $4, normally $7, 42% off compared to Husky. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty 3/8-inch by 1/4-inch drive SAE and a metric socket set, 40-piece, down to $5 from $10, 49. Let's just say 50% off for a 3/8 inch and a 1/4 inch SAE metric socket set, 40 piece with a lifetime warranty. That's tough to beat. Go Pittsburgh. 7 function digital multimeter, $5. Normally $8, 37% off. Classic. Storehouse nut washer, nut and washer, be careful. Assortment, 460 piece, $5. Normally $6.49, 22% off. For the Tarp Bros, 8 foot 6 inch by 11 foot 4 inch, all purpose, weather resistant 4 mil tarp, $5. Normally $8, 37% off. Chicago Electric Premium Welding Gloves, $6, normally $7.29, 17% off compared to Iron Cat. And we have Merlin Air Blow Gun with extensions, 5 piece, $7, normally $9, 22% off. US General Alert Magnetic Bit Storage, $8, normally $10, 19% off compared to Snap-on. Solid. Bits sold separately, and then we rounded off with a Hercules Alert 1 3/8 inch bimetal precision tooth plunge blade for oscillating multi-tools, $9. I don't know what they're doing with this deal. $9, normally $9.99, only 9% off. The only $9 deal. And if I spoke German, I'd say 9, don't get it. Know if that makes sense. And those are the dollar days. Again, these are starting July 16th. And there's some decent ones. Tarp Bros, $5 tarp. $5 Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. We're going to do a deep dive after the fact here. Normally $10. Let's see what Harbor Freighters are saying. 4.2, 88% will recommend. Great set for the price. See for upgraded insert 3D model. Okay, interesting. So this is a great set for the price. I can't complain about the sockets and the ratchet itself. Only complaint is the thin, clear plastic insert that is meant to hold the sockets. Okay, good for small tasks. Meh. Just pick the setup for a quick motorcycle project. I mean, at $5 and a lifetime warranty, they're going to replace it for the rest of your life. Don't expect too much. Terrible. A great set. Great price, easy to use, perfect tool for the job. And those reviews seem to be spot on for a $5 Pittsburgh lifetime warranty ratchet set, metric socket set. Not as bad as I would think the reviews would be. Knee pads, always our favorite. Then, of course, solid 18-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool. 1.25 pound capacity, but what are you normally picking up for $2? Almost 50% off is great. And of course, the $1 battery terminal cleaner, which we always recommend you get. But either way, we'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know, as usual, what you think of the dollar days. These are starting the 16th. We have our free bucket weekend starting tomorrow. Let me know how many buckets you're going to get, and I'll leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.